guys, welcome back to my kitchen. Welcome back to my channel. It's still your girl Chioma. So guys, today we're making a homemade cookies biscuit. Wow, very easy to make. Sit back and you see the way I will do it. Guys, like seriously, this cookies biscuit was wow. Please make sure you try it after watching this video. It's very easy to make. Please do it for your kids. They will love it so much. That is the outcome of our cookies biscuits. So guys, I'll be showing you the things I will be using for our cookies homemade biscuits. So guys, this icing sugar, I'll make use of half cup of icing sugar. I'll be using baking powder, 1 teaspoon of baking powder. I'll be making use of all-purpose flour, 1.5 cup of all-purpose flour. I'll be making use of vanilla essence, half teaspoon. I'll be making use of 1 egg, and then my melted butter I'll be making use of half cup. So sit back and watch me do it. So guys, now I'm sieving my all-purpose flour and my baking powder. You have to sieve it before making use of it. So that's what I'm doing now. That's my mixing bowl. I just poured in my icing sugar. I'll be adding my melted butter now. I'll mix both together. I'll be adding my vanilla essence and my egg. I'll mix all together before adding my all-purpose flour. I'm done mixing. That is the outcome. So the next thing to add is my all-purpose flour and my baking powder. After adding, I'll mix all together, so you see the outcome. Please make sure you sieve your all-purpose flour before adding. So I'm mixing now. Guys, as you can see, I'm making use of my hand to knead it very well before baking. Please wash your hands very well before doing it. So you see what I'm doing. Let me knead it very well. Let me mix all together. Let me make sure that everything has come together before baking. So guys, that is it. I'm done. That is the outcome. So I will mold it to the shape I want. That's what I'm doing. like our cookies biscuit is always round, so that's what I'm doing. Once I finish doing it, I'll bake it. And guys, I'm baking with my pot and my gas. Yeah, you can bake if you don't have oven. It's not an excuse. You can simply bake with your pot and your gas or your stove or whatever you have. Guys, you see the way I will arrange it. Yeah, you see it. Just make sure that you try it after watching this video. Guys, that is what I'm doing. I'm using my fork to give it that cookie shape. Yeah, it's homemade cookies. Homemade is always sweet. I try it out. So guys, I'll be baking, like I said, I'll be baking with my pot and my gas. I'm meant to use a flat pan, like stainless pan for it, but I didn't see one. So look at what I'm using. But whatever you are using, make sure you grease it with oil or with butter. So that's it. That's how I set it. I'll cover my pot, and then I'll use a thick material as usual to cover the lid of the pot, so that the heat will not escape. Yeah, so that it will bake well. Guys, I baked on a low heat. After 30 minutes I went back, and yeah, I'm using toothpick to check, and wow, our homemade cookies is ready to be devoured. So you can come and join us and devour the homemade cookies. That's the back. It came out so lovely, so nice. I didn't make use of any form of oven, just my gas and my pot. So guys, that is the outcome. Thank you for watching. Thank you so much. See you in my next video. Bye.